Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Hey, who that? Who that? Hey, hey.
This is Bob. Bob has a demanding job and a wife and 3 children. That keep him on his toes. Bob needs lots of energy to get himself through the day. In order to get energy, which of the following should Bob do? A. Run a marathon. B. Eat. Or C. Lick a doorknob. If you guess B, you are correct. Eating starts the chemical process called metabolism. And metabolism is when the body breaks down food to release energy.
Honey, what are you making for breakfast?
I want us to have a well-balanced meal with every type of nutrient. So that means vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, mineral, and even water.
Isn't she the smartest? That's what I love about her too.
Carbohydrates coming right up.
Hey Mom, what's a carbohydrate? That's carbohydrate! I think they can be simple or complex, right?
That's right, dear. Well, I'm too busy cooking dinner, so why don't you ask your father?
Just here, eat. Why do you think I hired the narrator? Do your job, narrator.
Sorry, Bob. I went to the bathroom. Now, where were we? Yes, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are nutrients made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They supply energy for your body's functions. Bob's daughter was right. Carbohydrates can be simple or complex. The simple ones are also known as sugars, and the complex ones are made up of sugars linked together in long chains.
What about fiber, Mr. Narrator, sir?
Thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot about fiber. Fiber is a type of complex carbohydrate found in plants.
But why do I care about fiber? Fiber! And do you want another instance like last week when you couldn't go number 2 and we had to give you an enema? No. No, I don't.
Then eat your fiber. It helps prevent constipation.
Oh, we don't have one that says fiber. This says fiber. Here.
Go ahead.
Yum! Tasty! And preventing constitution.
Go ahead and eat up. You should be getting 45 to 60% of your calories from carbohydrates, especially complex carbohydrates.
What's a cow tree? Okay, seriously, that's not funny anymore.
I think calories have to do something with energy.
Wait, Rob, you gotta stay in the...
And say it really loud.
I think calories have to do something with energy.
You are correct. Calories are units that measure the amount of released energy when food breaks down. More calories means more energy.
Whoa, why did you make so much, honey? My body can't possibly immediately use all of this, can it?
Nope.
In this case, your body converts glucose to glycogen, which is a type of starch. The glycogen is then stored.
And then what happens to the glycogen when it stores as more?
Then you better get your red suit and boots, Daddy, because the carbohydrates are stored as fat, and Santa Claus is going to want you to take over his job. Since when do you know anything? I read it on Wikipedia.
Speaking of that, they're done cooking. Here you go.
Fat? But I don't want Santa Claus's job. Count me out.
Hey Bob, fat doesn't just affect your body negatively. You need fat to live. Fat supplies your body with energy.
I thought that's what carbohydrates were for.
Fat helps too, but in addition to supplying your body with energy, fat also forms cells, maintains body temperature, and protects nerves. So don't feel so guilty eating fat. You should be getting 20 to 35% of your daily calories from fat, especially unsaturated fat.
Unsaturated?
Fat can be saturated or unsaturated, similar to how carbohydrates can be simple or complex. Unsaturated fats are ones usually liquid at room temperature, whereas saturated fats are usually solid.
I see. Are there any other types of fats?
There is, in fact. Cholesterol is a fat-like substance and is only found in animal products.
Cheerios can help lower cholesterol. I saw it on TV.
Cholesterol isn't all that bad as long as it's not in excess. A little bit of cholesterol is good because it makes cell membranes, nerve tissues, hormones, and substances that help you digest fat.
Ooh, digest fat. Give me all the cholesterol there is.
Gotta reach for it.
Not so fast.
Not so fast, Bobbert. I said a little is okay, not a lot. Same goes for another type of fat, trans fat. This is manufactured, and while it tastes good, it has many disadvantages.
So where does all this food go anyway?
Again, not so fast, Bob. We're saving that for a future episode. Stay tuned, kids.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I
Suck it.
And video done.
Just letting you know you're gonna have to use that video.